Look up. The sky above you stretches endlessly in blue. But why blue? To understand that, we need to follow a beam of sunlight on its journey. Sunlight might look white, but in reality, it's made of many colours. Each colour travels in waves, some long, some short. Red has long, steady waves. Blue has tiny, energetic ones. Now, sunlight enters Earth's atmosphere. A thin ocean of air molecules, oxygen, nitrogen, and a bit of everything else. As sunlight hits these particles, something fascinating happens. The shorter waves, especially blue, are scattered in all directions. Not pushed away, but spread like paint across the sky. Everywhere you look, scattered blue light is reaching your eyes. So the sky becomes a glowing dome of blue. But there's a twist. Violet waves are even shorter than blue. So shouldn't the sky be purple? Our eyes simply aren't very sensitive to violet light. And high in the atmosphere, much of that violet gets absorbed. So blue becomes the colour our brains choose. Now let's jump to sunset. When the sun sits low on the horizon, light must travel through far more atmosphere. By the time it reaches you, most of the blue has been scattered away. What remains are the long, powerful red and orange waves. They paint the sky with the warm colours we love. So why is the sky blue? Because our atmosphere scatters blue light more than any other colour. A simple interaction that shapes the way we see the world.